Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Wednesday, and it's June the 9th, 2010. We have every Wednesday an ETF alert that we give our members. This is 100% free, of course, so let's have a look at it and I'll show you guys what we're talking about today. Today's alert is on the QID, the Pro Shares Ultra Short QQQ. Basically, if you're betting the Nasdaq's going to fall lower, the Q is going to fall lower, then you'd be able to either short that or go long the QID, and it's the equivalent of doing that. Okay, it just runs the inverse of the overall market. So you can see we have recommended it before here as well as here, and I would add to it here. There is potential for it to pull back on me a little bit here and there. I'm not too concerned with that. I'm not a day trader here, so I'm not too worried about that. You'll notice she's never hit the 80 line of the short-term overbought on the slow stock, so I don't have anything to worry about there. We're still trending higher from the low points here or here. Let me get the right tool out and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Low points right here, here, and here are all successfully higher than the previous. That's an uptrend. That's an uptrend. So it's still in the uptrend and you want to stay long. You also notice you've got really good buy volume behind the activity here. Scroll on down and see if you guys see that. Okay, and that's really strong buy volume that you'd like. You want to see that. Okay, that's really good. You'll notice the selling was weaker than the previous short-term, near-term buy volume, and that's how you want to see it play out. You don't want to see this where you've got really good buy volume and then really big sell volume. That tells you that there's a problem. You need to not be trusting this to continue going higher. Once that sell volume supersedes the previous volume, you don't want to play there anymore. Right now, we don't have that case, okay? So yes, I'd stay long this, and any pullback I got, I definitely use that as a buying opportunity, or I should say a shorting opportunity of the overall markets by buying the QID, okay? That's how I'd play that. Where would you put the stop? We had the stop down here. You could leave it down here. That is a good chunk of change, basically from 19 to about 15 bucks a share, so that may be too much risk for you. A couple of ways that you could handle that risk is you could either leg into it a little bit here, and if she pulled back, add a little bit here, and so forth and so on. Uh, or you could just say, no, I'm not going to buy here, and if she pulls back, then I'll buy. If she doesn't, well, I've just missed it. I'm going to go ahead and list this one as one of my top picks on the website at perfectstockalert.com. It's a 100% free website. You can see our top picks there. And I definitely want to get into some ETFs here at the top picks, and we just provided that. It's a new thing that you can find on our website there. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to add it at the tomorrow's open, whatever tomorrow's open price is. That's the price I'm buying at. Okay, so we'll put that on our website tomorrow for you. It is the QID, QID, the target. Okay, let's talk about the target for a moment. We've talked about this before, but let me show it for anyone who's following us now. Okay, the MACD here is showing a high point at this level here, and then another high a little bit higher at this level. That tells us there's an uptrend right there and a new high to be expected. Okay, now these points coincide with the price activity on the chart as well. So let's roll back up there and look at the price. All right, you've got the high points at about 22.15. Right about in there, and then we haven't yet to break that. So I expect we will go higher than 22.15. So anything at 22.16 or higher would be your sell point. Okay, that's how you play that game. Yes, awesome. You also notice the RSI was extremely oversold coming off of that indication way down here. See that? Okay, very oversold there, and that's a good indication for bulls, or I should say bears in this case. This is an inverse ETF. I keep saying that. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. If not, send me an email. Okay, and that's what I'd be doing there. Okay, God bless. Enjoy your evening. If you haven't been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, you're missing out. It's 100% free. All we ask in return is you refer a friend. Tell somebody to go check out perfectstockalert.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel, or I'll hit you with a stick. Let's look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer. Read it and weep. God bless. Enjoy your evening. Stay short.